Good morning student. I hope you all are doing well, and today I am going to discuss with you question number 16, and up to question number 15 we have already discussed in our previous video. Now we are going to discuss with you question number 16. Okay. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Whose third term is 16. It means T3 is equal to 16. Right, and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. It means, according to this situation, seventh term from here to this. From seventh exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay, so according to question, how can we write it? T7 minus T5 is equal to 12, right? Why? Because the question is saying the seventh term, means this term exceeds the fifth term by 12. When it means, when this one is large term, when we deducted term 5 from it, we will get 12. Okay, so we can write it. Determine the AP. We determine, or we have to find a AP. We don't know what is common difference in this question, so we have to find A and D in this particular question. Okay, now how can we write this one? T3 A plus 2D, that is equal to 16, right? And T7 A plus 6D minus A plus 4D is equal to 12. When we solve it, A plus 6D minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. Plus A minus A cancel out. 6D minus 4D, that is equal to 2D is equal to 12. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. It means D is equal to 6. Okay, now we got common difference. With the help of this, we can find our first term, that is A. Okay, now this one is first equation, where we get A plus 2D is equal to 16, and now this one is second, because we had already find D is equal to 6. So now from equation and 2, what do we have? A plus 2. At the place of D, we will write 6, that is 16. A plus 16 minus 6 to the 12. It means A is equal to 6 minus 2, 4. So the required AP 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6 into 2, we know na, A plus D, A plus 2D, like this. 4, 10, 16 and so on. Okay, so our first question, that is 16, is completed now. Now come to the question number 17. In question number 17, find the 20th term from the last. You have to find 20th term, but from the last, not from the first, from the last. That is very important. Okay, of the AP 3, 8, 13, and the last term is 253. Okay, you have given first term and the last term. So yeah, 3, 8, 30 and 253. So let's start. Solution will be, we have given last term. It means we denoted last term by L. L is equal to 253. Okay, now D is 8 minus 3, 2t minus t1, 8 minus 3, that will be 5. Okay, now we know that the nth term, because we have to find 20 term from the last, so we let's suppose that nth term before the last term is given L minus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Okay, so we have to find 20th term na, 20th term from the last. Okay, so L minus 20 minus 1 and the common difference is 5. So L is given to you, that is 253 minus 20 minus 1, 19 into 5. That will be 253 minus 19 5s are 95. When we subtract 95 from 253, we will get 158. It means the 20th term from the last is 158. Okay, now our question is complete, and question number 18 is a homework question for you. This is very similar to question number 17, so you will do it yourself. Okay, now I am solving question number 19. In question number 19, Subba Rao started work in 1995. Okay, at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. He will get annual salary, not monthly. He is talking about annual salary. Okay, that is 5,000, and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. The increment is 200 per year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? You have to find n. Okay, in which year you will you have got 7,000. Okay, you have find the n. N means number of year, in which year. Okay, now solution is he is talking about a increment. This is a definite term. He is getting 200 each year. This is a fixed amount. It means it can be common difference, right? So D is 200 and the salary started from 5,000. It means this is first term, right? So this one be a total TN, total n terms. ठीक है, we have to find n ना. This will be the total or you can say number of terms. So last term, you can write it last term. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. You mean, I am explaining you here, that is in the nth year we have to find this year. Okay, he gets 7,000 rupees. Okay, now Tn is equal to 7,000, A is equal to 5,000 plus I don't know about n, we have to find it this, and D is equal to 200. Okay, so 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to n minus 1 into 200. When we subtract it, we will get 2,000. When we, here this is in multiplicative form, now this became denominator n minus 1. Okay, 0 0 0 0 2 1 0 2 2 1 0 2 2 0. It means 10 is equal to n minus 1 and n is equal to 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 became 11. It means in 11 years his income became 7,000. Okay, you can write it thus: in 11 years his income becomes 7,000. Okay, now our question is complete. Okay, and if you have any problem, you can ask me, or you can comment, so that I can solve, or I can take out your problem. So till then, take care, bye bye, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.